I get the hint. You want me to go. Nice to meet you. Ma salam, Mr. Donkey. Good morning everybody and welcome to another vlog with Which Way Now. Today we are out in the mountains. Oh, it's bright. And we are camping with our friend Anas, but he's underneath the blanket right now. And we are going like this. And we are going to hike today in the mountains, so that'll be super cool. Yeah. So this little pillow blew away last night, but luckily this morning Thais went for a little bit of a walk and found it in a cliff. So mashallah, we have the pillow back and I'm a happy boy.
I'm a bit sick. Hope my breathing isn't too constricted for this hike, but otherwise good.
So Anas is looking for a way. It's like 30 degrees something maybe, I don't know. It's hot and like all my gear is made for Sweden. Like my boots are made for walking in springs maybe, yeah, springs. And my pants are like thick and stuff, so I'm sweating like a, yeah, sweating like a human. And it's hot, but it's nice. Creamy, creamy, beautiful. Anas told us that we've done the hardest part, he thinks, and now it should be a bit easier. So that's nice. It's really beautiful here, man. God is good.
Well, we've finally made it to, well, it's not really a destination. We're halfway through our walk, about 7 kilometres in. Now this is a little traditional farm, a date farm. And it's got some other fruit trees as well, but mainly dates. But it's watered by a sort of aqueduct system called a falaj, I think. Yep. I'm hearing yeps. Yeah. So it's sort of this little water transportation system taking water from down the mountain, and there's a pool over there where it collects. And there's a guy that hikes for a couple of hours from another little village, probably once a week, to open up the tap system and let the water out and water the trees. But it's quite an art, and apparently this system is similar. It's been sort of compared with other sort of aqueduct systems around the world, and it's the same as the Babylonian system in Iraq. So it's sort of kind of old, this place. What are we doing now? Oh, I guess we're walking back.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Good. Cool.
So we have returned to the campsite. We are exhausted. I'm probably super burning in my face, a bit dehydrated, but it was so worth it. The view is so, can you see that? Maybe. It's so amazing, and yeah, Anas, such a good guy. He asked, messaged us on Instagram when he saw we were in Oman and asked if we wanted to go camping with him. So that was such a blessing. Yeah. Anything else, guys?
Nope.
Nope.
See you next week.
See you next week. Thank you for watching. And
Instagram.
if we are in your country, message us on Instagram. You will see it first on Instagram. So don't wait until the video up on YouTube, but go to Instagram and check us out. And message us when we are in your country, and we will hang out and do something fun. See you next week. Bye.